guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable pig polymer clay charm. I started by conditioning my clay and getting the exact right colour. Then I separated it into 3 pieces, one for the body, one for the head and one for the features, by rolling a cylindrical shape and then a round ball for the head. I made my ears by making a kite shape and then putting an indent in the middle and cutting it in half. I made my nose by making an oval and putting 2 dots in it. I did my legs, which were just balls of clay pinched at the end to make triangles. I rolled out a strip of clay to make the tail, and here I'm just showing you it at a few other angles. And then I'm going to make my eyes out of 2 black pieces of clay rolled into balls. Then you can go ahead and add some more eye paint and head above its nose to your packet's instructions. And there is your finished pig. I hope you enjoyed, guys, and remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos.